Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So I have a kind of a midweek haul that's like all over the place. We have a little Walgreens paper deal here. Even without register rewards and Walgreens cash, it's still $1.95 per paper product, which is really smart. We have that really cheap cheesecake from the Dollar General. I made a video about this yesterday, so you might want to, or 2 days ago. So I did it and I have the receipt to show you because I know there's a lot of skepticism that it's not gonna work. It works. So I'll show you that. And then over here, my gosh, I've been having a lot of fun over at Walmart. And I think we're gonna start off at Walmart today because some of the deals are so flippin' good. But before we do that, we're gonna do the weather report. And hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a terrific day. And we have little PJ there, which is Pumpkin Jr. Hi, PJ. Okay, that's the weather report. Okay, so over at Walmart, this is the first deal that we're going to talk about, and it's with these Tana Intimate Pads. So it is a 20 count. At my store, these are $4.97. Now, I know that a friend of mine who's in Minnesota, she got hers for $1 less. So depending if you live in a bigger city or not, but they were an extra $1 up here. I didn't have any coupons for these. So they are $4.97 a piece. So $4.97 times 3, as I got 3 of them, is $14.91. Use the old debit card to pay that down. IBOTTA is giving back $4 for each bag. So 3 times 4 is 12. Plus when you buy 2 of these, you get a $1 bonus. So that's $13 right there from IBOTTA. And Checkout 51 has a $2 rebate back when you buy 1 of these. So 2 times 3 is $6 back. So it makes this free plus a $4.09 money maker. Right, so I posted this deal, and I guess the Checkout 51 rebate is gone. They had so many units, and the units are gone. But if you wanted to modify this deal, grab 2 of them for $9.94. IBOTTA will give you back $4 for each, plus the $1 bonus. That's $9 back, making it 94 cents for the 2. Now, with Checkout 51, if they have any remaining units, it might pop up in the next couple days, or it might not. And I would absolutely recommend for you to double, triple check that that IBOTTA rebate is still in your gallery, even when you get to the store or at checkout. You're Walmart and want to do this deal, do it sooner than later. And I have used the Tana pads before in the past. It's not just for incontinence, even for your special time of the month. It's a very sturdy pad, and I like it. It's actually pretty good. Now, I happened to stumble upon this, which is the Premier Protein. It is 1 pound of this whey protein powder. The original price point is like about $22, and it was on clearance for $9. So some significant savings right there. And this is in the flavor vanilla milkshake. If you've gone through a gastric bypass, or if you're a serious keto dieter, this is what every website always endorses, this specific one, because it doesn't have a chalky aftertaste, and it's quite pleasant, and it's very high carb, low sugar. Here is the UPC if you want to check this out on BrickSeek, or maybe your store might have the same clearance as mine. But I was shocked to see this because, you're usually paying $22 for this powder. Anyhow, it's $9. IBOTTA has a $4 back rebate on this, so it drops it down to $5, which is a really great price point. Also found a couple of these. This one is the peanut butter cup. I've had this one before and it was $3. The original price is $7.47, but to pay $3 for 4 of these shakes, if you're on the road or busy or, couponing like a maniac and you don't want to stop somewhere and have really bad food, this is an alternative. You just have this and a little snack of some, I don't know, carrot sticks or something like that. So I got it in this flavor, which is the peanut butter cup, or the chocolate peanut butter cup. And then this one is a newer one, and I was shocked that it was actually on clearance because a friend of mine who's also doing keto, she told me about this one. It's called Cake Batter Delight, and she bought some from Amazon, but they're on clearance. So clearance is always your mileage may vary. This went on clearance on the 27th of October, so hopefully your store is following the same sort of clearance route as mine, but it doesn't hurt that if you are looking for these sort of supplements, especially if you're into, dieting, or if you just had a gastric bypass or surgery, this is the one company that a lot of, they're saying to to use. So for $3 for 4 of them, I got a couple of these because I do like the cake flavors. This was just a total find. Even without the IBOTTA rebate, I still would have bought it because I want to put this with some fruit in the morning and have it like a smoothie. And I think that's the perfect way to start off your morning. So this is kind of a lot. This is 13 sunscreen products, you know, just stuff to prevent skin cancer, that sort of thing, to enjoy fun in the sun. These were all on clearance on an end cap for $1 a piece. Now I know that in some larger cities, they started going $1 a piece, I think in September. So this is a weird time that they're all going $1 a piece, but they had a huge display and a lot of them actually had peelies on them. So I actually got, I think like $7 of overage because some of them had like $2 peelies. So if it's on clearance for $1, I got them for, you know, free plus $1 moneymaker. So every single one I had peelies or hang tag coupons for. So I got 13 altogether and I got $7 of overage. Some of the overage I did use for my Premier Protein. And then I also picked this up. And this is kind of an interesting product and it is $30. It is one of these Aero garden systems. So you can have a little garden in your house. And I've been talking quite a bit about having my own little garden. And this guy, the original price point was under $69. So now it is $30. And this one on clearance here on October the 26th. It's written right here on the tag. So I just thought, you know, I might be able to use it. We'll have to find a place to plug this in. Or alternatively, we could maybe put it in the basement somewhere. But I just thought it would be really nice to have, like, to grow fresh tomatoes or basil or something like that. And I've always wanted to try this. So, you know, hey, give it a shot. It looks really cool. At least if you could do the Tana Pet deal, I would absolutely do it if you need that sort of stuff. Or if you're looking for protein powder, that's also great. And then maybe your store will have some of this sun care stuff from the summertime on clearance. Wouldn't that be nice? So now over at Walgreens, we have just a quick paper deal. And whenever you can stock up on inexpensive paper, I think it's the time to do it. So Mr. Kleenex is $5 on the nose. Mr. Scott is $5 on the nose. In the November Big Book of Savings, we have this where my thumb is. It's $1.25 off. You scan that once, it'll apply to both. So that's $2.50 off right there. So if you wanted to pay the $7.50 out of pocket, that's cool. Shopkick is giving back 900 points, which is basically $3.60. It would make it $3.90 for the 2 or $1.95 per paper product. So you're getting $4.50 for that and $4.50 for that. So 900 points. Personally did was scan the IVC coupon. I also threw in a $4 register reward that I had from the week previous, and then I threw in $4 of Walgreens cash. So I just paid the tax for this, got back 900 points from Shopkick. So for every 250 points, it's $1. So 250 divided by 900, that's $3.60. So I got that back from Shopkick. So really smart way to use a little bit of Walgreens cash and a register reward for really inexpensive paper. And obviously this is the sort of stuff we should be stocking up on right now because the world is ending or whatever the heck's going on the news. So I was very delighted with this. So the last deal that we have is over at the Dollar General. This is taking place right up until Saturday if you want to go and participate. So these cheesecakes, you'll find them in 3 places in the store. In the aisle with the baking goods, they have a Christmas aisle with, like, you know, the pumpkin, the canned pumpkin, the stuffing, all that sort of stuff, you know. The baked goods, sugar, flour, all that stuff. Or they have a display of just nothing but this. It's all Jell-O products. So this week, these are 2 for $3. So picking up 4 of them, that is $6 on the nose. We have a 2 off of 6 digital coupon. So after that comes off, guys, you're paying $4 for the 4 or $1 per cheesecake. That's a really good stock up price. Absolutely check the expiry date. This one is for May of next year. If you don't eat a lot of cheesecake, or if you don't have a very large family where you'll make like 3 trays of this, I'm gonna be gifting all of this to my mother-in-law because she does a lot. She has a very large extended family. I know that she always drops off little baked goods for her brothers and sisters, and you know, she likes to have this on the ready all the time. So I'm going to be gifting all of these to her. I'm also going to try and do a deal for Saturday with the 5 off of 25 in this, and I'm going to try and work together some sort of a deal. Maybe I'll post a video on that because Gain is not looking very good this week because we have 1 digital coupon for Gain and I can't do very much with that. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Please give this video a thumbs up if you watched it. And little PJ still there. Maybe in the comments write PJ, and I'll know that you are a true blue follower and you've stayed till the end. Okay, that's it. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.